Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic is for 12th class, and we are going to discuss the structure and functions of the United Nations Organization, UNO. The United Nations consists of 193 members. The UN performs its activities through six main organs, which are the United Nations General Assembly, the United Nations General Assembly is world parliament with 193 members. Each state sends 5 members to the General Assembly but has one vote only. Its annual session is held once annually in September and also holds special or emergency sessions also whenever necessary. The main functions of United Nations General Assembly are to elect new members, to elect non-permanent members of Security Council, members of Economic and Social Council, judges of International Court of Justice, and Secretary General. It also functions as to maintain international order and discuss all matters concerning the UN Charter. This is the first organ of United Nations, that is General Assembly. The second organ is the Security Council. The Security Council consists of 15 members, out of which 5, that is China, Russia, France, US, and Britain, are permanent members. The rest are elected after every 2 years by General Assembly. It meets twice a month. Its permanent members have veto power or right to reject a resolution. Its main functions are to maintain international peace and settle disputes peacefully. It takes action against the aggressor states. The Security Council takes part in the election of Secretary General, the judges of International Court of Justice, and can recommend to the General Assembly for suspending any member of the UNO for persistently violating the Charter. This was the second organ of UN. The third one is Economic and Social Council. The Council has 54 members elected by the UN General Assembly. The members are elected for 3 years and 18 of them retire every 1 year. Its main function is to promote social, economic, cultural, and educational cooperation between member states. The fourth organ of UN is Trusteeship Council. It has 14 members to look after areas liberated from Japan and Germany after the Second World War. With decolonization, however, its importance has declined. International Court of Justice, it is the fifth organ of UNO. The International Court of Justice consists of 15 judges who are elected by General Assembly and Security Council for a term of 9 years. The 5 judges of International Court of Justice retire after every 3 years. It has a permanent seat at Hague. Its main functions include to settle disputes between member states, to advise the United Nations General Assembly and Security Council on international law. It also hears and decides disputes on the basis of international law, UN Charter, international treaties, customs, and traditions. One more organ of UNO is the Secretariat. The Secretariat is the administrative organ of the UN, headed by Secretary General. Secretary General is elected by General Assembly on the advice of Security Council. He is the Chief Executive Officer of UNO. The Secretariat is located in New York. The main functions of Secretariat of UNO are: it calls the meetings of various organs of UNO. It enforces the decisions taken by various organs of UNO. It also prepares annual reports of each organ of UNO and presents it to the General Assembly. And it runs the working of UNO smoothly and effectively. So, dear students, this was the structure and the functions of United Nations Organization. Each organ of UN has its own structure and its own jurisdiction of power and procedure. And thus, this way, the United Nations Organization carries on its functions to maintain peace and stability and to resolve disputes among the states of the whole world. It is the main international organization in the present world. I hope it will help you. We may write down a question. The question is, write a note on the structure and functions of the United Nations Organization. That is all.